In our last video, we learned about elapsed time. We learned that elapsed time is the amount of time that passes from the beginning of one activity to the end of that activity. So from the start time to the end time. Today we're going to take a look at how to figure out a beginning or end time if we know how much time has gone by. Here's an example. Josh started stunting on his bike at 10:55 a.m. He practiced for 20 minutes. What time did he finish? So we know the time that Josh started. And we know how long he practiced for. This is the amount of time that elapsed. What we don't know is his ending time. So we're going to break apart minutes in order to help us make times to the hour. Now when I look at 10:55, I think the next hour would be 11, because 11 comes after 10. And since there are 60 minutes in an hour, I know that I need 5 more minutes to get there. So I'm going to take this 20 minutes and break it up. So I'm going to start at 10:55, take 5 of those 20 minutes to add to 10:55 to get to 11, which gives me 15 more minutes because 15 plus 5 is 20. I'm going to add those 15 minutes to 11 o'clock, and that gets me to the 11th hour and 20 minutes past. 20 minutes past the 11th hour is 11:20 a.m. So Joshua finished at 11:20 a.m. Let's take a look at an example where we know the end time and we know how much time elapsed, but we don't know the beginning time. Emily worked on her math homework until 4:18 p.m. She worked for 48 minutes. What time did she start her homework? Well, the words until 4:18 tell me that that's her end time. That's when she finished. And since she worked for 48 minutes, I know 48 minutes have gone by. What I don't know is when she started. I'm going to go back in time to figure out her start time. And so I'm going to use subtraction. Let's see what that looks like. We're going to start at 4:18. I know 4:18 is 18 minutes past 4. So first I'm going to take away 18 minutes to get to the hour, which is 4 o'clock. Okay? 48 minus the 18 minutes we used means that we still have to go back 30 minutes. I can't really take away 30 minutes from 4 hours and 0 minutes. So I'm going to regroup 4 hours and 0 minutes as 3 hours and 60 minutes. I can take 30 away from 60. And it looks like this. Let's pretend that this is 60 minutes because we've regrouped. And this is 3. 60 minus 30 is 30, and 3 minus nothing is 3. So if I go back 30 minutes from 4 o'clock, I'll be at 3:30. So that means Emily started her homework at 3:30 p.m. So if you know the start time, you add the elapsed time to find the end time. If you know the end time, you subtract the elapsed time to find the start time.